Scoreless first period, gave way to the second, and then the two teams traded goals. First, though, a power play goal for the Calgary Flames and a pretty beautiful move for Matt Tkachuk.
That was a great individual move. I mean, the Islanders did everything right on that PK as far as I'm concerned. I mean, they had the puck to the outside. They get it down to Tkachuk down low, and this move is just really good. I mean, you're right, to have the confidence to make that move when you haven't scored in what seems like a gazillion years, but he knew it was coming and he started to make his move. He's obviously practiced that. He executed it perfectly. Leonard played it perfect, not quite good enough. And then the Islanders, a good play by Ladd in the slot area, 2-on-1, and Josh Bailey gets the Flames back to, and the Isles back to a tie. Great play by Josh Bailey. He goes 5-hole. As I said, the scouting report must have been that from longer range, you could score there. It worked.
Good deception for Bailey on that shot. He gets his 14th goal of the season, now 7 points in the last 6 games as Matt Tkachuk scores for the first time in 16 games, 25 now, a new career high for him. Well, the Islanders finished the second period on a penalty kill. They started the third period on a penalty kill, hoping to build off of that momentum. And we gave you a stat at the start of the third period about the Flames in the third. Best goal differential in the league at plus 44. That includes 18 empty net goals, but still, third period, 2 quick goals, and the game was over after that.
And what they do so well is they come up the ice with speed, Brendan. They have a knack for being able to create holes and then taking advantage of it and coming to the blue line with speed. And this one, good clearing play by the Calgary player. But look what Johnny Gaudreau could pass over to Lindholm, and then he just slides it back to Backlund. A beautiful, well-executed play. So they never quit on the play. They just keep coming at you. I think that's a screenshot. I'm not sure Leonard saw that and just reacted late on it, but just a terrific wrist shot by Backlund. But that's impressive, the way they play and the way they keep coming at you with their speed, their relentless forechecking. A very good skating team. Again, they won the battles in the corners, and this shot by Anderson, I got to believe that Robin would say, I should have that. That was a long-range shot. That was a 5-hole shot. But still, at the end of the day, Robin, I thought, had another real good game. The Islanders just didn't score enough goals, obviously, and they've got to find more offense to their game.
Michael Backlund extended his point streak to 6 games with his goal. That wound up being the game-winning goal, and then Anderson would follow it up with a little insurance marker just a minute and 57 seconds later. Well, the Islanders came into this game off a shutout. Robin Leonard put up the clean sheet in Vancouver. He got the start again today as the goaltending rotation has been broken up a little bit as of late. We'll see what the rest of the week has in store with the Islanders playing on Thursday and Friday. Mike Smith has kind of gotten a stranglehold back on this Calgary Flames net with his play as of late as we take a look at our crease coverage presented by Liberty Mutual Insurance. 26 saves for Mike Smith, 24 saves for Robin Leonard. Smith, Butch, though, a difference maker for the second straight time the Islanders have seen the Flames.
He really was, and he's a big goaltender like Robin, but he made some key saves. I mean, that save right at the very end of the game, maybe it doesn't make a difference, but he found a way. But he's really covering the bottom of the net extremely well right now, and so his defense is playing well, not giving you a lot of good looks, not a lot of clear looks where you can maybe aim a little bit, Brendan, and go up above the waist of Mike Smith. So as a group, Calgary is playing very, very strong defense, and when they need a big save, which is always critical in any wins, their goaltender Mike Smith is doing the job.